I'm Ruth from Yuanzhou. Welcome to our warehouse. Today I'm excited to show you the SEM 920F motor grinder, a reliable machine widely used in road construction, maintenance, and mini projects. The SEM 920F has a strong and fuel-efficient engine. It has an operating weight of about 15 tons and a moldboard length of 4.3 meters, which ensures wide coverage and process grinding. The transmission system is designed for smooth shifting and easy operation, making it friendly for both experiment and new operators. The SEM 920F delivers powerful performance, taking on heavy workloads while keeping fuel consumption low. Its advanced hydraulic system allows smooth and precise blade control, which greatly improves the efficiency on the job. The cam is built for operator comfort, with wide visibility and ergonomic control that reduces fatigue during long hours of work. The strong and durable structure not only extends the machine's service life, but also helps reduce downtime. And when it comes to maintenance, the design makes key components easy to reach, so daily service is quick and convenient. To sum up, the SEM 920F is powerful, efficient, and reliable, an excellent choice for different construction and mini applications. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to sharing more great machines for you soon.